Good news, I found the smoke alarm. Let's give it a quick test. Okay. Let's see if I can do that. Let's see if you can see me do this. Alright. There. Now I think you can see me. See? Look. Really old one? Wait, what's its date code? 2002 March 7th. All of these were supposed to be right. Alright, good. Oh. There we go. Now let's give it a quick test. Now let's see it interconnect. Don't you just love it? It's gonna be just like my grandfather's. Oh, you didn't get to see that one. Let's put the lights. Alright, that's so good. Alright. Too bad that one does actual code 3. Should be fixed.